studies very well respected within the medical community as well as the forestry community. What have these studies told us? They have shown that people have improved mental health. There have been, to my knowledge, 1 or 2 neuroscience studies that have actually tracked how the brain responds when you're in a forest environment. Blood pressure is reduced. Heart rate is reduced. People are more relaxed, and they take these experiences, or from these encounters, they take these health effects beyond only that certain situation. It goes into their everyday lives. So some of the most recent work in forest bathing is about dosage. Sort of like when we're diagnosed with a disease and the doctor or the nurse tells us, well, we'll give you this medication. How much? How often? And so we're starting to look at forest bathing and consider dosage. How often do you have to have a forest bathing experience to continue those benefits throughout your life and through your everyday busyness? In the last few decades, there have been many studies of ecosystem services. The idea of ecosystem services is that there are intangible, there are benefits that we gain from our environment that are not readily sold on the market, like timber, for instance. But the ecosystem services that provide our clean air, our clean water, that prevent flooding, all of those sorts of services are now being more carefully studied and recognized, and they are so important. And so scientists and natural resource managers, environmental managers, now talk about co-benefits of ecosystems. Not just a single benefit, but the stacking of benefits and values from having healthy ecosystems. One of the most recently understood ecosystem services is human health. And at this Congress, this first National Congress, we are learning about and understanding the importance of mental health, the concerns about mental health in our communities. And so ecosystems offer benefits for mental health and physical health in people. Why is this important? Many of the health concerns that we have in our society and in our communities are not readily healed by drugs or pharmaceuticals. We need other solutions, and we're learning that environment can be one of those solutions. So what we need to do is to translate the research about health and environment